Yo, my name is Benjamin and this is what's new in the May update. First, stack wrapping. If I select all of these cards and then right click to wrap them in a stack, we will now try to automatically set the width to 100% or one fraction and the height to auto, making it easier to do responsive designs in Framer, as you can now instantly start customizing the layout properties or sort the contents within your stack. This is one of the most requested features for the May update and we're excited for you to give it a try. Next up, previewing. Here I have a simple navigation demo with 3 breakpoints: desktop, tablet and phone. And as you can see, the navigation collapses on the phone breakpoint. If I give this a preview, I can resize my page as I normally would, but what's new is this menu that allows me to quickly switch between all different breakpoints. I can quickly jump to the tablet breakpoint or the phone breakpoint with its collapsed navigation. For even faster switching, we also added new shortcuts. Command comma for the previous breakpoint and command period to cycle to the next breakpoint. And on Windows, that's control comma and control period. When you resize, we'll keep showing the title of the entire range of your breakpoint between the min and the max width. But when you click on the matching menu item again, we'll always snap back to the min width, which is how it's represented on the canvas. That's it for the preview, and next up we have new variables. With this badge selected, I can now go to the radius property and turn it into a variable, and these variables now support radius per corner. Plus, they now get a unique icon. And the same is true for padding. We now support padding per side out of the box, making your components much more flexible. And if we now go back to the home page, you'll see we now have full control over the radius and the padding of this badge, which is especially useful for components like badges, where you often want to tweak the padding to optically center the contents within. Thanks to these new variables, I can now keep tweaking these values until our badge feels just right. And that's it for the new variables. Last but not least, we're adding support for text stroke. With my text layer selected, I'll head over to the text properties, click on stroke. Here we can customize the stroke color. Then let's set the text color to black. And there you go. In this update, we're also adding masking support to text layers. These can be combined with the new text stroke property, unlocking all sorts of new visual effects. And that's pretty much it for this video. Be sure to go to framer.com/updates to see everything else that's new in this release. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more updates coming soon.